Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a study room more attractive. Start by decluttering surfaces and grouping items into functional zones. Choose a calming color palette and add one accent color to create focus. Improve lighting with task lamps and warm overhead light to reduce eye strain. Add texture with a rug and cushions to make the space inviting. Personalize with a few meaningful items and keep it organized for ongoing motivation. Organize storage to maximize space and reduce visual clutter, starting with shelves and bins. Use vertical storage and floating shelves to free floor area and add interest. Place frequently used items within easy reach and store seasonal items in labeled boxes. Incorporate plants and art to add life without overcrowding. Rotate displays monthly and choose cohesive containers for a tidy look that keeps the room feeling intentional and calm. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker makes focus easier with gentle background music and voice timers. If you like what you hear, subscribe and hit like if this video is helping you. The Echo Dot fits on a desk and blends into decor while offering clear sound and convenient voice control. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider adding it to your study setup. Now let's get back to the video. Select comfortable seating that supports good posture and matches the room scale. Layer lighting with ambient, task, and accent sources for flexible moods. Add a focal point such as a gallery wall, statement lamp, or textured headboard to draw the eye. Keep surfaces partially clear and rotate decor to maintain a balanced, calm atmosphere. Finish with a scented diffuser or candle for a subtle sensory boost, and test settings at different times of day to confirm comfort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.